Hey there, little man.
And the sight that compels them to stay.
You're not sure anymore?
Okay.
What happened? That one's scary.
The scientists now understand the obsession of the Nika explorers. The crystal cave is breathtakingly beautiful and deadly. It's a unique scientific enigma that they're determined to unravel.